Attacking baseline, Marasiga. On to the right side, Aure attacking baseline. Second drive, Billy Ramos. Split is 30. Here is Purong Bayan update now. Purong Bayan, fighting out the Bayan. Purong Bayan, first personal team. First try natin yung nylon. 6-4 official tally. Second try, Marasigan. 2 out of kick out dito. Nagpapadali sa kabilang dulo. Number 12, RJ on his way up. Salamat. Bigyan po lang kay Purong Bayan. Setting things up. Balikan po lang kay Purong Bayan. Trying to make a move. Aure po, 500 pesos! Galing kay Kapitan J.R. Briones. Number 7 Javier, wala na sa second quarter na. Tapos kang limandaan sa second quarter na ulit. Yes! Nakalista na si Aure. Sa gatan, number 12. Fighting the open mark at the great pass by number 12. Purong Bayan, Purong Bayan. 10 million almost fighting out by number 10. Purong Bayan. Bounce pass to number 7 Javier. Entry pass to number 2 Marasigan. Ball goes to the other way. Ang mga taga-barangay po na itabla yung ating ball game o agawin nila yung kalamangan dito. Here is number 13, Purong Bayan, Pulsa, Airman, Elsa Pilar Moneda. Outlet goes to number 14, Brea Labas, mabilis sa pagrigo para defensiva ng mga taga-barangay daw. Entry pass, Javier takes out to number 9, Ramos, outside the jumper. Back iron, looking to be free now. Elsa with number 7, fade away jumper, Obra, gets it back, Javier. 15-11. It is number 12, OJ. At the break by Ramos, shooting bonus. 17-11. Yes, sir. 18-11. It is number 11, Purong Bayan, setting things up. Signal for the blind. Bigyan po lang Purong Bayan, entry pass to OJ. Fighting on the front there. Trying to make a move, nowhere to go. Shot clock at 10. Magalona, kicks out to Purong Bayan. Hill, shot mix. Outlet goes to number 9, Ramos. Ramos on his way up, huli. Same ball. It is Marasigan, up to Ramos. Slicing the defense, out the short, with one by Marasigan. 20-11, on down by 9 points. Barangay Cheese, it is RJ, Sesling, using his quickness, hands in the air, no, and gets it back. Bola papupunta sa aray ng mga Barangay Cheese. Javier touch passing down to number 9. Ramos goes all the way. 22-11. It is Purong Bayan. Up to number 10, Hill, Patayon. Sibaw, Subs down. Outside jumper from Hill ball, heads up with Bailosis. Passing his way up the glass. 25-13, outlet goes to number 9, Ramos. A minute and 35 seconds. 3 points, 500, second quarter, Javier, 500 yan. Bendisyon, Gallardo, Obra. Sa Gatar, number 6, Villarosa, slicing the defense, good challenge by Purong Bayan, reverses by number 12, Javier. Quincenas, katapusan. It is number 4, Aure, setting things up. Off the left side, Purong Bayan trying to make a move, attacking baseline. Mga nalilimutan nyo. Tungkol din Aure. Bigyan po lang ay number 1. Pabalik kay Aure. Shot clock winding down. Ilipan nila ang piso. Masyado malakas. Fade away yung jumper. mga taga-barangay G's. Got there, number 12. On his way up, on the shot, hands up with Golong Bayan. Happy ka pala, Javier underneath. Wala away. Hidayang mo ay nag-image by Delia Rosa. Off the number 10, Golong Bayan. Bigyan mo lang kayo, Golong Bayan. Off the number 13, Golong Bayan. Hindi ka ito by Alvarado. Golong Bayan ang atake. Shot back na number 10. Get the steal. Javier nagmamadali sa pinatula. Outlet goes to number 13, Rumelio. 42-22. Patuloy ang paglaban ng kalaban ng mga taga-barangay G's dito. Here is Golong Bayan. Games number 7 na Pinar substitution. At the free throw line, Golong Bayan, first try, nothing but nylon. Second try, Golong Bayan. Sprint is Kennedy, tabi ka ng bola. Mapupunta sa mga taga-barangay Gao. Shot clock winding down, 5 seconds to shoot. Here is OJ, finding the other man, good break, right now. 45-20. Sarah Gar, number 14, Julia Ramos. Get the steal by Golong Bayan, outlet comes to number 14. Ladies and good defense by number 13, Golong Bayan. Fighting on the right de la Torre, Golong Bayan trying to make the ball. Kahit talo, tabihan nyo lang ang score now. May 1-5 sa Gatter. Number 15, Alvarado up to the left side. De la Torre from down. Offensive rebound by number 15, Alvarado. Muscle his way up. So far, ang leading scorer, 9, Ramos. 1 minute and 25. Golong Bayan. And the sound of whistle. Foul against number 4, 23 seconds. Golong Bayan, first try, Lago Bones. 47-33. Bob Myers with this Kennedy. 1-3. Alternating possession, harapan ang kukuha ni Aure. Aure tactical by number 11 to the corner. Bigay bola kay Yuki Maya. 47-36. There is a whistle. Ball will stay with Barangay G. 30 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. Delia Ramos. 30 seconds. 49-36. There is a whistle. Foul against number 11 de la Torre after shooting 2. 26.8. First try, Bob Myers. 49-36. Second try, Golong Bayan. Split 20 seconds. 15. Shot clock is off. Bola mapupunta ng mga taga-barangay Gao. Behind the back pass. Alvarado, magic in the air. Rebound and shot by Roses. 30 seconds and no stretching at quick. By losses now. And Gatter, keep the ball alive by the Hasselman. Aure from there. Look the window. 2 points down. Personal. Don't look low. Here is Javier. It's a 3 seconds violation. Ramos, bigyan mo lang kay Javier. Tightly guarded by Ronald Maya. With eyeball defense. Para sa over the screen. Javier, trying to make a move. Give and go! Balik siya sa buwang mabante ng hanay ng mga mga coaches. 60 to 50. Here is OJ behind his back. Kicks out. Purong bayan. Corner 3. Bounces up. Copy ka ng bola. Mapupunta sa hanay ng mga taga-barangay na number 12. Purong bayan. Good challenge by Almorada. Singaw. 31 limo. Okay. Sa Gatar. Aure. Get the steal. Javier Outlet goes to number 9. Ramos. Keep the ball alive. Here is number 14, Aure. Shifting direction. Bigay bola kay Punong Bayan. Punong Bayan attacking to the defense. On his way up. A little bit short. Punong Bayan. 100. 60-52. Direct now. Bigay Ramos. Bigay bola kay Javier. Javier just misses. Ends up with Magalona. 2 minutes and 45. Outlet goes to number 13. Bigay bola kay Aure. Kicks out to number 13. Punong Bayan. Bibigay kay number 12. Punong Bayan. Nakakarami na tigyaw si Punong Bayan. Pabilang nga dyan sa Gardner. Off to the right side, number 9. Ramos. Further off the glass. Big points. Punong Bayan, number 12 to Hasselman. Aure, down. Sayang.